So, good night, teacher. Sorry for the delay, but I have a lot of problems with the internet and personal problems. Sorry, but I'm here with the speaking exam. So, let's begin. I hope that the page can see very well and my face too. Hi, I'm Sandy. Welcome to Speak Improv. Start. Can you hear me? Yes, 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 yes. Part 1. You will hear eight questions. Listen to each question, then answer for question 1 to 4. You have 10 seconds to answer for question 1, 5 to 8. You have 20 seconds to answer.
What's your name?
Well, my name is Jose Alfonso Hernandez Garcia.
What's your name?
My name is Jose Alfonso Hernandez Garcia.
How do you spell your family name? How do you spell your family name?
My family name is Hernandez.
Where are you from?
I'm from CDMX or Mexico City.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico City.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I'm working and studying at the moment, the both.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I'm very interesting about learning because I want to know about the culture and maybe the tradition of that country.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I'm spending my free time playing with my friends and listen to music or seeing some videos.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
Well, my best way to improve my English is when I play video game and I have to play uh, with a with an international guy, and I have to improve my English to talk and try to make more comfortable the play.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
So that's interesting. I think that I want to know drawing. I really want to draw something or like machines or something like that. Over 400 people visited our library. Our library. Over 400 people visited our library last month. Sports Center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. All new students have to be registered with Mr. Clark by the end of Friday. Provide that all equipment and stored students provided that all equipment provide that all equipment has been collected and stored. Students may leave the classroom. What type of company do you majority of IT students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. Environment, environment agree to agree that continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. Well, the advantages, I think that you have your own money and you can spend with anything you want, like in your career, something like I'm in engineering and I know that my things has a lot of cost. So if you work, you have much money to spend in your career. Disadvantages, maybe the you get tired and you can be more productive in your school. My own opinion, I think that it's a good idea. I work, so I think that makes you more properly as a person, and I think that we need more people who work who has a part-time jobs. Well, what we have here it's a diagram of acid pollutions. The first thing is the factories and the vehicles. We know that the smoke of these things are pollution for the environment. So the first thing is the pollution, of course, and the second is the acid particles are in smoke. So the acid particles go and were carried by the wind, and the wind collect some acid particles falls as dust, like in the river, like polyest, uh, Polymist River. So other acid particles mix with cloudy water, and acid particles are in rain and snow. So the acid rain damage the environment. Part of 5. You will hear 5 questions about a topic. First, read the task. Listen to each question, then give your answer. You should speak for 20 seconds. Read an article on how to get. He wants to find out your opinion about health. He will ask you a question about eating habits, drinking water, doing exercise.
What advice can you give people who want to develop good eating habits?
The first thing is the eating habits. So you need to eat a lot of vegetables, and you have to eat 5 times a day. So you don't have to eat a lot of in that 5 times. So like in portions, like in your own hand.
How important is it to drink lots of water?
It's very important to drink water because with this you can burn some calories in your body. So it's good, but not it's so good when you drink a lot of water.
In your opinion, is it essential to do some exercise every day?
Yes, it's good to do some exercise, like cardio or go to running in in a mountain or maybe physical exercise, but you have to have one day at rest and the weekend.
People say everyone needs at least 8 hours sleep every night. What do
The part of sleeping is very important because you need to have the energies to make things at the other day, but if you don't sleep at your hours, you have body problems like tired.
do you think technology has generally had a positive or negative effect on people's health?
The part of technology, I think that it's a good development because with these things you can run in your own house or you can do a lot of things like exercise or make your own eating habits with technology. So this is the end of the test. So thank you so much for watching, teacher, and sorry again for the delay. I have a lot of problems with a lot of things. Sorry, but this is my video. I maybe if I put some um, emphasize in this thing, I could make I don't know a B2 or C1 because I know the things, but I have a lot of pressure now. Sorry. So bye.